This video is on how to use the Norcold N811 automatic refrigerator freezer that you may find in your new RV. Now, what is distinctive about this refrigerator has one control, which is an on-off button. If you turn it on, and if you have electricity, you'll get a green light. If you do not have electricity, you'll get an amber light, which means it's on gas. And if it's a blinking light, it means that there is no available source of power. Now, this differs from what we had in our old RV, where we had a switch that was an auto, off, and gas. Now, actually, I prefer that better than this one, because this one you just don't have enough control. For example, if you want to run this off gas, with the old style, you just turn it over to gas. With this one, the only thing you can do to run it on gas is you have to basically shut the breaker off for the refrigerator. Now, that's maybe not a big deal, except some coaches, the way they're wired, you may have more than a refrigerator on that outlet. So you may lose something else that you don't want to. So why would you want to run on gas if you had electricity available? One option is if you're on a generator. Like us, we have a Honda EU2000, which only puts out about 13 amps. Since this refrigerator can take up to 5 amps AC, then I'm losing 50% of my capacity for my small generator. Now, before, I could always run the microwave or make coffee or do something with everything else off, and that generator would have enough power to do that. Well, in this case, I'm not maybe going to be able to run the Jenny. This thing is robbing power from the generator. So I see this as kind of a detriment, not being able to force this in the gas. Now, again, this is fully automatic, and the other issue is temperature adjust. Now, again, with the older style refrigerator we had a slide switch 1 through 5 that would adjust the temperature. Not so with this one. This is automatic. However, there is a way to adjust the temperature if you need to. So this unit, the only way to adjust the temperature is right up here. This is a thermostat that's just clipped onto one of these fins. If you want to make the temperature colder, you unclip it from this fin and move it to the left. If it's too cold and you want to make it warmer, you would unclip it and move it to the right. Does it work? Yeah. Is it Mickey Mouse? Yes. Again, in our old refrigerator, what we would do often is when we get ready to go camping 24 hours before, or when we first started the refrigerator, we turn it on its coldest setting and let it rapidly cool down. And then after it was cold, then we would back off on the temperature a little bit until it didn't freeze stuff. So you can't do that with this one. So I kind of wonder what the wisdom of Norcold is in designing this type of refrigerator for camping use. So hopefully they have a good explanation to why they designed this refrigerator this way.